How to create Binance account. Binance is the most comprehensive and most largest, most biggest platform in crypto exchange, crypto space. So I will show you today how to create Binance account, and you know fast thing fast, I will show you through website, through Chrome browser, and after Chrome browser I will show you through Binance apps. So fast thing fast, I will create first through website, and after I will show you through Binance. So go to your, so here we search by Binance, and while you are to search, that bring into this pop-up page, and here you will get Binance domain themselves, their one you know website, and enter their one website, and here is you know create account. Now you need to click on this yellow button, maybe you are seeing on this screen. So click on there, that will immediately bring into this page. So here you need to put your email that is validated, that is so correct, that is your one, you know and where Binance will send you a code, verification code for doing verified, and click on next. After that, that will bring into now. So go your Gmail and take your code and put here. So here we go. Just here is the simple process. Binance just sent you this code into your Gmail, and collect this code from your Gmail, that put into that Gmail you are want to create, and this Gmail code you need to put on that exact like that box that provide you Binance. So put here exact same number, like what you see, exact same number, this number 205032. So put that correct way, and done. So now here is just put your password this way, same way, two small letter, one capital, and some number 123 and some symbol, and click on next. Bam, done. So after that it will bring into their new phrase, next step to create Binance account. So until that, wait. So here is referral code that I put into comment box. Click on that link exactly and create an Binance account. And if you get any link, awesome, done. So just you can skip this thing, no problem. But if you do that, it will be pretty amazing. You know, just right now you can skip that. You can do that optional, not mandatory. Stay log into way, man, never click on not now. While you are click on not now, you need to put a new information like in new way, so never. Now verification, your country's verification, where you are living, exactly, it's depend upon you. So right now maybe you are saying here verification system, let's get your verified, but I don't do that right now because I haven't time enough to do that. But you can do that so easily, it's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. So here we see a lot of country where you are in, just select that, and what type of card you have, and just provide those information on Binance. It's so secure, no problem, just verify you to. If you do that, you will get a lot of like feature to use on Binance. It will be pretty easy, and you will get a lot of feature, so do now or later. So after that, you are in right now Binance main phase, Binance main, they are inside of Binance. So here, there is a lot of feature I will show you, I will familiar with you those. Now go to Play Store or anywhere, download Binance apps, and click on wallet, and here you see that I have $6 Rothwell BNB. But It's kind of like so easy to easy way, thing. Click on spot, and here you see a lot of coin. A cryptocurrency coin, every cryptocurrency coin has listed here. And click on funding. Here you will see your fund. You can sell to p2p, payment anywhere, you know so gift card. Binance is I said already largest platform I have ever gotten. This is the platform every crypto user has to have, need to have. And click on p2p. Here basically you can sell any crypto token into your fiat money. So where you're in doesn't matter. If you are in
See,
Europe,
if you
if
are
you
in
are
shop,
in
if
Arab,
you
if you are in
are
North America, that's also okay. I will show you that Europe. If you wanna get Europe, euro, you can select euro and you can sell that so easily, no problem. It's pretty
pretty
straightforward.
straightforward, you
So
can do that.
let's
So
see another feature, like
you know,
like
like
a lot of feature. You cannot finish every feature of
and you
crypto
can
here. So let us see. Here we see a lot of currency in this planet. You can see like Indian currency, you can see
okay.
Australian,
Anyways,
Canadian, uh, American. All of currency has listed, or not all of currency has here. So earn, here is you can earn some money to doing API, and here is future trading, and as well as margin. And yeah, this is the future. You can be, and web3 wallet has existent as well. Maybe you are seeing like Trust Wallet, MetaMask, you know Bitget wallet, and web3 wallet has feature on this, like all of thing has in the one apps. So okay, I'm going to Exchanger again. So here we go, a lot of feature. So create account, and test all sort of feature to yourself. And if you want to earn money from there, I already provide a lot of video about Airdrop, about free income from cryptocurrency. You can watch those video pretty easy way. So now if you want to deposit, click on deposit button, and here you will see a lot of network. If you select BNB, and that is the network. Like if you want to send something on England, you need to select some country like London, Manchester City. Like this way, this token has their one network, that is BNB Smart Chain BIP20, and a lot of like BIP2, this type of network has. So copy this thing, and if you wanna withdraw, if someone want to send you any crypto, any money, they just provide this information to them, and they will easily pay you through that. So like right now, click on withdraw, and here is two option. One is send via email, and one is send via crypto. Send via email mean Binance to Binance, and send via crypto mean Binance to everywhere. That is pretty simple. So I will show you Binance via crypto. So here is put your address. If you wanna transfer money, like wanna so put your address there where you wanna send, and put your network mean you maybe already know, and how many money you wanna withdraw. Click on there, and pretty simple, done. So I'm hoping you will get something from this video, and yeah.
and here
So
is what I
click
wanna
trade
see.
button, and here we will see.
BTC
Okay, I will show you BTC and BTC pure
price.
USDT,
Okay,
and here is limit
and
option. Here we will
yeah,
see market,
buy
stop
sell.
limit. you know
Here is
so
has
a lot of
limit,
feature
stop
has. Maybe
limit,
you are seeing
trailing
right now,
stop. You can
limit,
say you
market,
can
stop
sell
limit.
your
And I will show you
thing, your
market. Market
token
mean
in market
right
price,
now
current
current
price,
price.
like
If
this
you wanna
way.
sell,
Buy
and
BTC,
buy
bam.
BTC, and
So
that will be
I haven't
automatically buy.
enough
So if you don't
to,
understand that yet, you can
so
write down
therefore
comment
it's
that I wanna a video. I wanna a video about this specific topic, how to do trade, how to do like convert, how to do like earn money, all sort of thing. Whatever video you want, just write down comment. I will appreciate you for that.